A flag is an internal tool for sharing information about a particular supplier. The flag set by you or your colleagues is visible only for users within your organization and not for the flag supplier or any other organization. There are two ways to see and set your flags. You can do so on each supplier's homepage and through the supplier search. This guide will show you how to do it through supplier search, but the flagging process is the same either way. On the supplier search page, search for the suppliers. Once the search results page with the list of supplier cards opens, navigate to the needed supplier card and click the flag icon on the left upper corner. In case the company has not been flagged yet, a pop-up window with two buttons will appear. Add flag means adding the flag with all relevant information. To stay updated about the changes made to this supplier's flagging, press Subscribe to flag updates. Once you press the Add Flag button, another pop-up window will appear and you will need to fill out all the necessary information. Select the flag color depending on your decision, green, yellow or red. Your company can decide internally what each flag should mean. Set an expiry date for the flag. When the date comes, the flag will not be available. The expiry date can be updated at any time by you or your colleagues. Specify the reason or message of the flag. After the parameters are specified, click Add Flag button to save the entered data. Once the supplier company profile has been flagged, the notification email will be immediately sent by the system to inform about the flag's availability. As you can see, marking the suppliers with the flags can be very useful for you and your colleagues when planning your activities. This information can also help you when searching for suppliers, as the system provides you with the possibility to filter the search results according to the set flags. The flag color will be visible on the supplier card and homepage. To see more information about it, you need to click the flag. Other users within your company with the correct permission can also edit or delete the flag. To do this, press Edit or Delete button on the pop-up hint. Here, you can also subscribe to flag updates. The users with the relevant permission can easily download a flagged supplier report by clicking the Create Report button and choosing the format and type of report.